According to the Finscope 2 report on Uganda's financial market released in Kampala this afternoon, says most used savings product is a secret place at 64%, followed by a member of an informal group at 40%, and voluntary savings account at 30%.
2009, we have 13% of the public who are actually using mobile money, and we have a huge proportion still using informal services such as buses, such as relatives traveling, and the like.
The report also says that almost 45% of Ugandans are today borrowing, with more borrowers in the eastern region at 56% and western region at 57% in comparison to other parts of the country.
So the idea is to make it regularly, so then we can kind of chart how actually the financial inclusion is developing in Uganda, also in the future.
In terms of access to formal financial services, the report states that 57% of households have to reach institutions located 5 kilometers away, while 86% are within the same distance of informal institutions.
In terms of the trust that you touched on, but also in terms of the cost of access. Since the CEOs are around, the cost of access to financial services remains very high.
The Uganda Insurance Association hosted the Finscope 2 project, in which Sinovet carried the survey, disclosing that only 3% of the population are using insurance services.
These insights are also important because they give guidance to companies in the financial services sector like banks, insurance companies, and other financial institutions on how to develop appropriate products that can be used to serve customers' needs and close the gaps identified by the survey.
This Finscope 2 report released here today in Kampala will leave a lot of challenges to players in the financial market on how they can be able to lock in millions of people using pedestrians, using buses and bicycles to move money from one point to another. Reina Ojin, NTV Business.